DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener and scanner. This is how we're finding these winners early, guys. Simple to use by total beginners. Got advanced features for professional traders. Great support, 1 hour free one-on-one training, and check out these testimonials. I mean, they're off the hook. Guys love this program, and they're making a ton of money. Okay. Time for the final test. I got it all painted and everything. Isn't that cute? I haven't painted this, but I didn't paint here because, you know, this is where it slides, so. And I have a little bit of trim there because it's important. So what you do is you slide this in here. It's important to have this level, or at least the slider level, because when you lift this up and you put another one underneath, it has to be level so this will match up with the one that you put under. Okay, so let's put this together and test it, the final test. So I took a little bit more off of this and put this in, and let's get our jack. I got that all painted pretty. Oh wait, minor detail, I gotta put the slider on first. Okay, let's get the slider on. Actually, that should have gone in before I slid it in. Okay, now let's slide it in. There. Imagine once you do this a few times, it'll be easier. Think. Ever see that sign? THIMK? Well, I aim to, I don't edit. I mean, I don't do a bunch of takes. I just do it the way I'm doing it. I'm not in here for an Oscar. So you hook that in there, hook that there, and last but not least, I made this little clip it's out of some copper sheet just to keep that in. Alright, so it's important that we lift this straight. Okay, so let's lift it up. I guess if you see it, look at this and try to keep that straight. So 60 pounds. See, well, you see how this isn't really level? It's important that this is level. Maybe if I take these out. Yeah, let's take these out. Well, I guess this one can stay. It's real loose. Alright, so here we go. Lifting. Yeah, see how it moved forward? See, I wanna have this even. Well, I guess you could slide it, even it up later. But anyway, there's no problem lifting it, okay? You can even use the ratchet and ratchet it up. So we got 60 pounds, no problem lifting it. Then you take your empty box. By the way, I'm going to turn these into Japanese by putting a couple of bars in here. I'm not going to have any more frames. The hell with frames. I don't need frames. And put this like right there. Even. Even so their entrance. And then it's just a matter of lowering it. But you see how this one is forward a little bit? So that's why this needs to be, well, I'm not sure what. But anyway, you can slide it in afterwards, I imagine. So move this down and lower it slowly to under. Lower it. That one's there. And then I guess afterwards you can, yeah, you just slide it over to even it out. No problem. And that's it. So it works. It works pretty good. And it's a lot cheaper than, paying $600 or $700 for the commercial one. I kind of like this one better, to tell you the truth. And it works, works great. So next thing, this is the other beehive I got. I'm going to try it on this. I'm going to take this top box off and lift all those. A full box weighs about 30 pounds, 25, 30 pounds. And so there's 60 pounds right there. So I think we'll be fine. I could probably even try it with 80 pounds. But there you go. Bee lift. Bee lift. Bee lifting. I'm taking a still shot here for my thumbnail on YouTube. Okay guys, this project is complete. And that's it. So if you're going to build one of these, I found these winches on Amazon and they're pretty cool. They're pretty small. They're about 4 or 5 inches by 4 inches. And you could attach it to the pole right here. Weld it or put a bracket or something. And they're pretty reasonable, 23 bucks. So if you're going to build one of these would work really well. Anyway, so there you go. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. And it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this, Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical, you know. I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7 MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money.